It is finally a sunny day here at the Shanks household. Actually, I say that, it just got like really dark over there. It has rained almost every single day since we moved here. And now that it's the first day it's sunny, I finally have an opportunity to go and grab the skyline from Ethan's shop. We're gonna do that, drive the car around, and just have a good day. I don't know why that's how I've introed the last couple videos, but I don't know, I just kind of like walking the driveway. It's pretty fun. I would drive the car back, but I just don't trust Dallas drivers. I want to get the car home so I can drive it around in like the country, not through the city in traffic.
In case then can't escape this situation. Poverty I was placed in got me pacing back and forth, mind racing. Dude,
this car's gonna look so good when I finally get the skirts on and stuff today. Got this goofy thing on my head. Let's see, she should start. Yeah, it gave me a pretty hard time this morning, so. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. God, this thing sounds amazing. Okay, now the power steering's back on, evidently. Dude, I'm psyched power steering is working. Not right now. This is really not, yeah. Well, it should continue working for the remainder of the drive. And then when I turn the car back off, it probably won't work again. That's how it used to be. Yeah. Looks like the low load areas are quite lean right now. Everything was fine once you got into the throttle, but okay. The low load stuff was quite lean. I need to keep... I don't know, we didn't change anything really. Drive like, you know, moderate to 75%. Sure looks leaner than I remembered it. Interesting. Sure looks leaner. I don't know. We need to look at your fuel pressure, or like, are we low on gas, or do we know the actual
we're full
gas?
We're pretty much full on gas.
Let's head back towards the shop. So on the dyno, it was fine, and on the street, it was fine, and for some reason, something changed. Tune has not changed, the map has not changed, but it was running lean. They fixed it, and then our fueling was okay, and then it just like wouldn't let us go into boost. We're trying to figure that out. This is weird. At least it sounds amazing.
Jordan cooked the beat, so sit back and let me feed ya this knowledge about life so that it never will defeat ya.
It looks okay now.
It does.
It went into the 12 when I did that little.
I think, yeah.
A low load.
I remember the car being generally too rich, not too lean.
Now it's an 11.
Now it looks like it's.
Get a little throttle.
It's like too rich now.
Okay. All right. So now you just reload the other map.
Yes.
And then, okay.
We should be good then.
Sick V6 Jeep. That sounded good. It's always the dumbest things, especially when I show up.
It's like the car knows, like, oh, he's here to get me. I'm fixing to do something naughty.
Let me just pull in like here to change it, or you want to go to the shop?
Nah, go to the shop. Go to the shop. If we're white, it can't be out.
I felt no limitations on that.
It
okay.
looks good again.
Good. Please stay that way, Haltech,
But
please.
I went back like to like somewhere like mid dyno session.
Okay.
Yeah, so I need to make a couple changes, but I'm not going to re-upload. Yeah,
that felt really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels good. Really good. Yeah. That's awesome.
I am a bit shattered as to why. I don't understand why right now, but
I think maybe. I mean, do you think it's just the Haltech being weird?
what's weird is that we're on the same like injector sizing and the same VE map that also just drove really lean a minute ago.
Well, remember whenever you're doing the two-step stuff, how weird the map, or how weird weird the Haltech was being when you just did some minor adjustments.
But I mean, you know, I'm familiar with the Haltech. It's not like
No, it's not. It's not you.
I can't dismiss anything as like, oh, the Haltech's being weird. Like, no, that's.
Feels great. Feels really good. God, that sounds great. I'm all for a nice sounding V8, but man, it's like hard to beat the classic 6-cylinder sound.
There are many different sounds that I like. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They get much fewer and far between. That was fun.
That's what I like to do.
Just never. Man.
No, wideband.
What are you doing?
Don't tell me we went through another Bosch sensor, like the 50th one. Okay, it works.
It done. Looks good.
Okay. He gave me the thumbs up. I know. Good?
Yep.
What boost are we hitting? 14?
I wasn't watching that.
Okay, I'm just curious. Nice. I will go back. Feels pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty fast for like, I guess what is it, like 330, 350, something like, maybe a little more. It feels good. That feels happy. 16 PSI?
Yeah.
Not bad. That seems very safe for pump gas on an RB25.
I don't know that anything is safe for an RB25, but yes.
I feel like I am locked inside of all these.
Trying to do the trick?
No. I'll get injured. Can't afford that.
Cages. I'm changing, incarcerated, I'm changing.
So it turns out the problem actually was the Haltech. Whenever we were doing two-step the first time, he messed with some stuff and the car was totally fine. And then for some reason, Haltech like corrupted its own file and he had forgotten about that, but it did mess up, like it changed fueling, it changed everything. Really weird and definitely not something you want happening, but hopefully it stays consistent now. But we're going home. Oh my God, okay, listen here guys. I haven't been to this gas station yet. It's very close to my house. And everywhere, the government site never says there's E85 anywhere, but look at this, baby. It says ethanol 51 to 83%. E85. Dude! I'm so psyched. Oh, we did it. We did it, guys.
Let's get it. That's my damn favorite part, baby.
Oh! For one, I think someday, we're gonna build a circle drive because it certainly would help. But I think this is a big reason why I need a truck. One, I got a tiny, Tom needs something tall. The biggest complaint with this is I don't have tow mirrors, and so it's hard for me to see where my inner or outer tire is when I'm like at full tilt with the trailer. I've gotten real good at backing up a trailer. So I gotta swing wide on this baby, but this corner starts getting so tight that I can't see. At this point, I now can't see where the tire is, so I've gotta actually move my mirror. It's kind of fun doing this. It would be nice to have a truck. But see, now I can't see. Now I gotta readjust it again so I can see. There you go. So it probably wouldn't hurt to get a truck. Yeah, so tomorrow we're taking the Supra and we're doing something real fun with that. And here we go. Here's the sign that we're back in business. We have the skirts on, the back on, the bumper on, and what's something that hasn't been on in a really long time is the freaking little fascia that the GTR has. Right here, I need to get a GTR badge for that or something. She's done. Look at that with the skirts. Well, look at the skirts. Look at the flex with the skirts. It's so good. Yes, sir. Smooth country roads. This is nice. Daddy's happy. Now let's turn up Need for Speed and have a good trip. And sorry neighbors, but she's home. Man, oh man, this car is so 90s and 2000s, it's so great. God dang, is that a freaking wasp again? Where'd it go? Anyway, she's right next to her granddaughter. Man, ooh, look at that. Now that she's home, wow, I'm so sorry you guys gotta look at this mess right here. Now that she's home, the goal is to get her cleaned back up. I've gotta fix some body lines, I've gotta fix the hood and like some fender stuff, but now we can actually get to making the car look good, feel good, now that it drives well. I've gotta fix the hood, and then a big thing is suspension. Dialing in the fitment. I've got to lower the car. I've got a bunch of suspension pieces, and I'm obviously going to finally get to detail the car, work my magic on this brand new paint. I'm so stoked. It's just such a cool car. Whew, I'm stoked. I'm really, really stoked that she's home. My daily advice I'm gonna end for you guys today is, I don't like the term energy. I think it's kind of cringy, but it's a good way to describe. Turn all the negative energy you have in your life into as much positive as you can. What I mean by that is, for me, my whole life, I felt like people thought I couldn't do anything right, or people didn't believe in me, which they didn't. People told me I wasn't going to be able to do what I wanted to do, and I used that as kind of a food, a fuel, if you will. That's a great way to go about life. Fuel yourself, not with anger, but with passion about the negative things that you encounter. Do your best at doing that today. I am really tired. I gotta take a shower. I'm sweaty. I'm gonna go eat some food, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace. I got 2 videos for you. And make sure you subscribe, baby. I got lots of good videos for you guys. You guys keep watching. And that's it.